Every time you use the CloudHPC and simulation terminates, the system automatically adds the information about the virtual CPU hours and the cost that particular simulation has had. It is possible to download this sort of information by just clicking the simulations we want to extract and click on Export to CSV and click on Export. This is going to download on our system a CSV file like this one, which we can split into with using the text to columns functionalities in order to handle this data in a better way. This allows us to detect how much every work we perform on the CloudHPC has costed to us. If we want to get even more information, it is possible to go to our dashboard where we have a summary of the consumptions of virtual CPU, and we have a real-time cost that the platform has been subjected to every month, and it is possible to download the invoices for the past month. If we want to receive a notification of consumption every time we reach a specific budget, it is possible to go under the account profile and just set the budget to be whatever we want in order to receive a notification every time this budget is hit in terms of consumption on CloudHPC.